Hello and welcome to our presentation. We are students at Binus University and we are currently in our fourth semester. My name is Vincent Ramaputra
And I'm Luciano Metuinalta.
and this is our research about comparative analysis of CNN and RNN architecture for facial emotion recognition. Facial expressions are key aspects of human communication and play a crucial role in conveying emotions, making them a popular focus in emotion recognition research. While humans effortlessly understand these expressions, machines face challenges due to variations in shape, skin color, pose, and lighting. Advances in computer vision, machine learning, and AI have recently enabled the development of facial emotion recognition system. Among various methods, deep learning, especially convolutional neural network or CNNs, has shown exceptional ability in analyzing facial expression. This paper explores how deep learning enhances facial emotion recognition, offering significant benefits in fields like healthcare, human-computer interaction, security, and entertainment.
A little review. Despite the success of traditional facial recognition method using handcrafted feature, recent research has increasingly focused on deep learning for its superior automatic recognition capability. Among the explored method, agent face utilize principal component analysis to represent facial image efficiently but struggle with scale and lightning variation. Neural network extract nonlinear feature akin to brain neuron, but require extensive training and are less efficient with larger class size. Graph matching, though computationally demanding, show promise in achieving rotation invariance. In facial expression recognition, deep learning has significantly advanced technique promising enhanced system despite challenge in handling varying conditions.
Now, for the methodology, for the datasets, this research was conducted using the FAIR 2013 datasets or the Facial Emotion Recognition 2013 dataset. This dataset consists of 35,887 grayscale images, measuring 48 by 48 pixels obtained from the internet via a Google search. The images are broken down into seven emotions, namely angry, disgust, fear, happy, sad, surprise, and neutral. For the pre-processing, the facial image pre-processing stage includes noise reduction with median blur, pixel normalization using min-max scaling, and equalizing feature scales with a standard scaler. This process is carried out to improve data quality before feature extraction and emotion classification. And for the proposed CNN architecture, the proposed model is built using the sequential model type, consists of three convolutional layers with 32, 64, and 128 filters respectively, each using the ReLU activation on a 48 by 48 by 1 input shape. Max pooling layers with 2 by 2 windows follow its convolutional layer. The output is then flattened and passed to a fully connected dense layer with 256 neurons with ReLU activation. Before the output layer, a dropout layer with a zero point 0.5 dropout rate is added to prevent overfitting. The output layer has 7 neurons, one for its emotion, and use the softmax activation function. The model is then compiled using the ADAM optimizer and categorical cross entropy as the loss function. And next for the proposed RNN architecture, this model processes sequential data for multi-class classification tasks. It starts with a reshaped layer to format the input for the RNN, followed by masking layer to handle varying sequence lengths. A bidirectional STM layer with auto regularization captures information from both sequence directions. Best normalization stabilize and speed up training. And a tension layer improve understanding of relationships within the input sequence. A time-distributed dense layer applies nonlinear transformations at each step, followed by a dropper layer to prevent overfitting. The final dense layer with softmax activation produces a probability distribution for classification. And for the result, we can see there's two confusion metrics for its model. And for CNN model, we can see that it can predict most of the classes accurately, except for disgust, which is often misinterpreted as angry. And for the RNN model, it's able to predict three classes which are happy, neutral, and surprised quite well, except for the other classes.
Now we jump to conclusion. Based on this research, which compare the performance of convolutional neural network and recurrent neural network in facial expression recognition, thus using FAIR 2013 dataset, it can be concluded that the CNN model show higher accuracy than the RNN model after going through 30 training blocks. CNN is effective in capturing complex spatial feature, but has difficulty discuss from angry expression. Meanwhile, RNN is more sensitive to temporal change, as evidenced by its ability to recognize happy, neutral, and surprise expression well. However, RNN has difficulty in recognize other expression to its limitation in capturing the complexity of spatial feature. And that's for our presentation. Thank you for watch.